What is a compute engine? Compute engine is a core service within Google Cloud Platform that provides infrastructure as a service. In simple terms, it allows you to create and run virtual machines on Google's global infrastructure. Think of it like renting powerful computers in Google's data centers. Instead of buying and maintaining physical servers, you can launch virtual ones on demand, configure them with the operating system and software you need, and pay only for the resources you consume. Some key features. Machine types. There is a wide range of predefined machine types to suit various workloads from web servers to high-performance computing. You can also create custom machine types for specific needs. Operating systems. There is support for both Linux and Windows operating systems with a variety of public images and the ability to import your own custom images. Storage options. Flexible block storage options including persistent disk, local SSD, and hyperdisk are available. Global infrastructure. VMs can be deployed in various regions and zones around the world, allowing you to choose locations based on latency, compliance, and disaster recovery needs. Security. Robust security features including data encryption at rest and in transit, confidential VMs for data in use encryption, and shielded VMs for enhanced boot integrity are available. Automatic discounts. Automatic sustained use discounts for long-running workloads and committed use discounts for pre-committed usage are available. Spot VMs offer even lower cost for fault-tolerant workloads. Benefits. Scalability. Easily scale your compute resources up or down as needed to handle fluctuating demand without upfront investment in hardware. Flexibility and control. You have full control over your VM instances, including the operating system, software, and network configuration. Cost effectiveness. Pay-as-you-go pricing and various discount options help optimize costs. Reliability and high availability. Google's infrastructure provides high uptime guarantees, and features like live migration ensure workload continuity. Performance. Access to high-performance hardware and a global network for fast and efficient processing is available. Simplified management. Tools and automation features like VM Manager and managed instance groups simplify the management of large VM fleets. In essence, GCP Compute Engine provides a powerful and flexible platform for running virtually any type of workload, from web applications and databases to scientific simulations and machine learning models, all on Google's reliable and scalable cloud infrastructure.